1 cent denom, 88-cent minimum bet. Got the ultra bonus. I want a word. A word would be, oh, yep, there we go, $20 minor. I started on it with $235, so I've already gotten that back. I wish the Ultra Bird would come out and drop some coins. There we go. I've seen another word. Just gotta land it. Gotta land something this time.
What's a double up?
Double up is a good bonus. You're gonna get 2 for 1 on this one because my wife just got the double up. Smile, woman. She's playing 1 cent denom, 88-cent minimum bet. And she started with $20. She got the mini, so that's $10. I need to turn up your volume. Hit the menu. There you go. People like to hear money. You need to land one on the bottom now.
Yeah, I do. Come on.
Hey, there you go. You need one on top after this. Oh, you got another mini. Man, you're doing good. That's an awesome payday for an 88-cent bet.
Want to see it all fall.
Yeah, me too. That'd be 5,500. Game 2 is done. You got some nice chips in that bottom one though. Oh yeah, 1 spot left.
I don't see no gold flashing across there.
No light at the end of the tunnel.
It sure ain't.
You never know, you might see it.
Oh, here we go. No light at the end.
That's still a nice bonus. Can't complain.
Nope.
You did really good off on that $20 bill.
Yeah, I did.
More than doubled your money.
Yeah, I had $11 of that 20 left too.
Mm-hmm. Hit your button. I'm done on mine. I'm cashing out.
Me too. I gotta go potty.